In the pursuit of peace and harmony at home, so much can be achieved simply by learning to compromise. Yet, many couples end up divorcing. In most cases, if we're being honest, divorce isn't necessary. What is needed is the ability to let go. Too often, each partner stands firm in their ego. Neither is willing to compromise. The arguments escalate, the tones get harsher, and eventually, this leads to emotional distance and sometimes even divorce. But what if one person were to take a step back and say to themselves, yes, I'm right and I know it, but I'll let it go? A man once came to Rabbi Steinman saying he couldn't bear his marriage anymore and wanted a divorce. But he told the rabbi, give me 3 pieces of advice, strong ones, and I'll promise to try them before I move forward with a divorce. The rabbi responded, the first piece of advice is to let go. The second is to let go. And the third is to let go. That's it. Just let go. Take, for example, a man who is very neat and organized, but his wife grew up in a home where tidiness wasn't a priority. He comes home and sees a sink full of dishes, a pile of laundry, and he gets angry. Every time he fights with his wife asking, why aren't you organized? And she replies, I'm tired. There are kids, work, so much to do. I've seen couples get into terrible conflicts over things like this. But imagine if the husband tells himself, I'll let it go. It's okay. There's a pile of dishes. I'll accept it. On the other hand, imagine the wife knows that her husband gets particularly upset by dirty dishes in the sink. It drives him crazy. She might decide, I can't do everything in a day, but since this bothers him more than other things, I'll adjust my priorities. Perhaps she prefers folding laundry over doing dishes, but since laundry doesn't bother him, and dishes do, she chooses to make that change. When both partners take steps toward each other, harmony at home becomes achievable, along with a sense of inner peace. When both sides make adjustments, not only do they create a natural environment for peace, but they also merit divine assistance, receiving help from above, to strengthen their relationship even further. We grow up in different homes with different habits, but when each partner decides to grow toward the other, it builds not only a better marriage, but a stronger foundation for a life of shared understanding and mutual respect.